Hi, Billy. Hi, Dane. What terrible weather we're having. It must be making work really hard. Oh no, Dane, look. I think Billy is stuck. Oh no, Dane, you're all covered in mud. I think that you need to go and see Tom. Hi, Tom. Dane needs your help. He got very muddy at work. Are you ready, Dane? What's next, Tom? That's a lot of bubbles, Dane. It looks like the rain again, Dane. Great work, Tom. Dane looks great. He's all clean again. Oh dear, Billy. Can't you move your track? Looks like we're going to need another visit to Tom's, Dane. Bye, Dane. See you again. What's going on here? Jerry and Marley seem to be watching someone. Whoa! Where did Katie come from? Over the bridge? Looks like it's Jerry's turn now. Whoa! So that's how she did it. This is going to be easy for you, Marley. Amazing! He jumped right over them. Uh-oh, what was that? Oh no, Marley. Look at the state of you. You sure need a wash. You don't care about being dirty? Well, it looks like you're going to need Tom's help anyway, so you might as well go to his car wash. Hey, Tom. Tom, Marley's in trouble. Can you come to the bridge? Chill out, Marley. Tom will be here any moment. Thanks for coming, Tom. See you at the car wash, Marley, whether you like it or not. Tom needs to cut that pond weed so you can drive again. But you'll need a rinse first, Marley. What's wrong? You'd rather be racing down hills? Then you're going to like this more than you think. Go on. It's a water jet slide. Here he comes. Was that fun? Told you. Now, time for Tom to get that pondweed off you. To the salon. Hey, Tom. Ready to start cutting? They look like they'll do the job. How are things looking, Tom? The pondweed is gone, but he's still covered in slime? Sorry, Marley, but you're going to have to take a bath before you can go anywhere. You stay here while Tom prepares it. That looks relaxing. Time to fetch Marley. Oh dear, here comes one very unhappy monster truck. Hey, you're smiling. Looks as though you like being in the bath. Well, take your time. There's a lot of slime to come off of you. Marley, it's time to get out now. You want to stay in the bath now? Sorry, but Tom has another customer after you. Perhaps the drying machine will cheer you up again before you go. Tom says you can go back to your friends and show them more tricks now. Well, there's a first time for everything. Who'd have thought you, of all cars, Marley, would prefer to stay clean for the day? Good job, Tom. Not only have you cleaned Marley up, but you've made him love bath time, too. Hey, Steve. You're doing a great job making all the roads in Car City nice and smooth. What's the matter? There's sticky tar all over your roller? Oh, dear. We'd better head to Tom's car wash and get you cleaned up. Oh, dear, Steve. Look at the mess you're making. Behind you. Let's get Tom out here quick. Hey, Tom. Steve is covered in sticky black tar. Can you help him clean up? You can? Awesome. Let's go inside. What's first, Tom? The water jet? Okay, let's start it up. A water jet for removing the top coat of dust and dirt. What's wrong? You don't think cold water will wash off all that sticky tar? Well, do you have another idea? Hot water? Great idea. Let's see if it works. Shall we use soap, too? What kind? Extra strong? Close your eyes, Steve. You don't want to get soap in them. You can open them now. Are you ready for the rest of the car wash? You are? Okay, let's go. Now for the brushes. How's that looking, Tom? You think we should scrub Steve harder? Okay, Tom, go for it. Don't worry, Steve. Tom's just making sure we get rid of all that sticky tar. Wow, Steve, I've never seen you look so clean. Is it time to go back to work? Great job, Tom. Watch out for the tar. Wow, that was close. See you soon, Steve. Thanks, Tom. See you next time. Hi, baby Frank. Are you having your lunch? What have you got? Honey sandwiches. That sounds delicious. Oh no. What are you going to do now, baby Frank? You've lost your sandwich. You're going to have your yogurt? That's a good idea. What's the matter, baby Frank? You're hungry and you don't like being dirty? Don't worry, it's okay. I bet that Tom could get you all clean in his car wash. Would you like to go and see him? Hi, Tom. Baby Frank is on his way. He needs your help. He spilt his lunch all over himself. Don't worry, baby Frank. Tom will get you all clean again. Okay, baby Frank, you can drive into the bath. It's nice and warm. What's next, Tom? He still has some honey on his face? That's better. He's looking much cleaner now, Tom. Are you okay, baby Frank? It's time to wash the bubbles off, baby Frank. You need to drive into the other bath. I think we need to dry baby Frank before he gets too cold, Tom. Is that better, baby Frank? Tom is just going to fetch something, baby Frank. Are you okay? Quiet. Look, baby Frank is asleep. Baby Frank? Baby Frank. It's time to go, baby Frank. You look really good now, baby Frank. Much better. Oh, you're still hungry? Look, baby Frank, Tom made you a new sandwich. Isn't that nice? Thanks, Tom. Great job. See you soon, my friends.